Today I'll be making Japanese sweet potato mochi. It's a chewy snack with a sweet and savory mitarashi glaze, making it the perfect fall treat. Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 1 Japanese sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of soy milk, 1 tablespoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of water. Step 1. Peel and cut the sweet potato into pieces. Then soak in water for 5 minutes. Steam or boil the sweet potato pieces until tender. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Transfer the sweet potato to a bowl and mash with a potato masher or fork until smooth. Add the soy milk and potato starch to the bowl and mix well. Step 3. Grab a piece of dough, roll it, and place it with your palm to form a shape. Repeat with the remaining dough. Step 4. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add the vegetable oil. Place the sweet potato mochi and pan fry for 2 minutes on each side. Remove from the pan and set aside. Step 5. In the same pan, add sugar and soy sauce, water and potato starch and cook until thickened. Step 6. Return the cooked sweet potato mochi to the pan and coat it with the mitarashi glaze. Transfer the sweet potato mochi to a plate and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this easy mochi snack. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.